global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. Indeed, in Rivers State today is a day of judgment. While Martins Amaewhule and the 25 lawmakers are dragging Fubara to Supreme Court, Tony Okocha and his cohorts in APC Rivers State are also dragging Fubara to Supreme Court. Well, it looks like Labour Party have decided to bring the matter to a conclusion. We're going to find out what is going on right now. While Martins Amaewhule is looking towards the east, little does he know that he has a problem to settle in the west. We're going to find out all of these details. Before we do that, kindly subscribe to our channel. As we speak, the Federal High Court sitting in Port Harcourt, presided over by Justice Amaewhule, has delivered a ruling on applications in suit number FHC/PHC/CS/25/2024 brought by the Labour Party LP against the Rivers State House of Assembly and others. And the suit seeks to declare the seat of 27 lawmakers who allegedly defected from the People's Democratic Party (PDP) to the All Progressive Congress (APC) vacant. Now, during the ruling on January 21st, 2025, Justice Obele rejected the applications by the first defendant, which is Rivers State House of Assembly, second to 28 defendants, which is the 27 lawmakers, and 29th defendant, which is the PDP, which sought the court's permission to call oral evidence and file pleadings. The judge held that the defendant failed to establish any conflict in the facts contained in the affidavit before the court to warrant granting the applications. However, in a partial concession under Order 27, subsection 1 of the Federal High Court Rules 2019, Justice Obele permitted the cross-examination of deponents to the affidavit supporting the amended originating summons and the counter-affidavit filed by the defendants. Given the inability of counsels to agree on a hearing, as in on a hearing date, the court fixed March 11, 2025 for the hearing of the amended originating summons. And the Labour Party, through its caretaker chairperson in Rivers State, that's Hilda Dokubo, filed the suit seeking to compel the Independent National Electoral Commission, that's INEC, to conduct by-elections to fill the allegedly vacant seats, allowing the Labour Party and other parties to participate. Counsel to the claimant, which is Clifford Chukwu, emphasized that the lawmakers had publicly announced their defection on various media platforms, including Channels Television and TVC, and even deposed to affidavits confirming the move. He argued that their actions constituted a voluntary relinquishment of their seats under the law. On the other hand, counsel for the defendant, that's including senior advocates Ferdinand Obe, the senior advocate of Nigeria SAN, and J. Musa, argued for the court to allow pleadings and oral evidence, stating that the issues were contentious and could not be resolved based on affidavits alone. In a separate but related case, Justice Obele had earlier adjourned to December 7, 2024 to hear a matter filed by Victor Oko-Jumbo and 3 other assembly members loyal to Governor Siminalayi Fubara. They also seek to declare the seats of the 27 lawmakers vacant and prevent them from parading as members of Rivers State House of Assembly. This is getting interesting. Well, for that of Martins Amaewhule, they are already running theirs already. Of course, we're going to give you feedback come February 10th, and simultaneously also Tony Okocha also filed his, is also in Supreme Court, where he wants to nullify the local government elections that held in Rivers State, I think sometime in October 6th and 7th, where he's insisted that they should uphold the verdict of Peter Lifo, Justice Peter Lifo and Omotosho, and instead he preferred the situation. To him, the appellant court did not do justice to it, because appellant court struck out the case on grounds of locus standi, on grounds of jurisdiction rather, and Otonio Kocha went straight to Supreme Court. While they are still going there looking for Fubara and his government to drag, LP via their chairperson, Hida Dokubo, at the caretaker chairperson, Hida Dokubo, had insisted that INEC, I think now sometime in 2024, INEC should speedily, declare that seat vacant and conduct by-election, because her party, Labour Party, are seriously in need of some of those seats, and she believes that once the seats are declared vacant, Labour Party will definitely, be filing up to contest for very vacant seats. 27 is quite a big one, and they're wondering why INEC is not doing the needful, conducting by-election. While they're still looking at LP and that case, Oko Jumbo and the three others have also filed a case in motion also sometime in 2024, of which they are going to look at the hearing in 2025, where they wanted INEC to declare the 27 lawmakers seat vacant. Already, the fireworks have already begun for Labour Party. Of course, we've gotten the full details, where they are insisting, please don't just stop at affidavit, that this case is very contentious, and they needed a situation where they should also allow them oral evidences, of which, look, since there seems to be back and forth drama in court. Remember, this is actually taking place in Rivers State, and they said, okay, for that reason, since you guys are not, coming to some sort of agreement, let's adjourn this case to March 2025. So yes, February, keep a date with us. March, keep a date with us. But the question now is, while they are moving to Supreme Court, there's another counter case, which means, from what I'm deducing, I think it's a case of whatever the verdicts that will be given out in Supreme Court, if it's not favorable to Okojumbo-led administration, led assembly, there's another case coming up very speedily in Rivers State, which I presume to be appealed. Normally, if the case goes in favor of Okojumbo, Martins Amaewhule and the rest would have to drag the matter to appeal and to now move to Supreme. Whatever the case is, I guess today in Rivers State, they want to settle a lot of things legally. The fireworks have begun already in 2025, and it is becoming a legal year, literally, in Rivers State. But if you ask me, we all know how to interpret this law. Why are we dragging this issue? I'm so surprised, because there's supposed to be a by-election sometime mid-December 2024. But up till now, as at the time of filing this report, elections for the lawmakers have not taken place. Although Martins Amaewhule believes that it should be Okojumbo's seats and the other three that should be declared vacant, that they have not been meeting, or they have not been coming to sit in the assembly for over 150 something days. For that alone is strong enough to declare that seat vacant. I don't know which one INEC would listen to, but I believe INEC should go with the side of the Constitution and the law. But then again, let's say it plays out. As we're going to wrap it up, keep it there with us.